Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now choose Additional Settings, Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and finally Keyboard. Then click on Theme over here and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background by clicking at the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next and adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them on or off. Then select Apply and go back. As you can see, the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!